When you buy a Nord stage, electro, or piano, you get a lot more than just the instrument. In a Nord keyboard, all sounds are replaceable in just a few minutes. Free of charge, you get full access to our premium sound libraries and all future OSs. This means your Nord instrument will stay fresh and inspiring for many years to come. Go to nordkeyboards.com and find the sound you'd like to try. Then simply download and transfer it to your instrument. The Nord Sound Manager, included with every instrument, makes it easy to organize your sounds. We offer you two unique sound libraries, the Nord Piano Library and the Nord Sample Library, which are constantly updated with new, world-class sounds. The Nord Piano Library is our pride and one of a kind in the world, filled with exclusively sampled acoustic and electric instruments with lots of velocity levels and dynamic control, all of them carefully selected for their specific and individual character. The Nord Sample Library contains high-quality samples of strings, guitars, brass, choirs, synths, and much more. We also offer the exclusively licensed sounds of the legendary vintage instruments Melotron and Chamberlin. With a Nord keyboard, you don't have to buy a new instrument whenever you long for new and exciting sounds to spark your creativity.